Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will see that how do Google Translate work. So let's go and see how do Google Translate works. Let's go. First, first we'll go to a browser. Okay, then we'll type here Google Translate. Okay, then we can see many Google result here as like Google Translate, Google Translate it, app on Google Play, download and use Google Translate Android, Google Translate. Okay, so then we need to go in this result. Okay, Google Translate. So let's go. Okay, then now as like we'll go to English to Bangla. Okay, let's see. How are you? Okay, so the Bangla of how are you is আপনি কেমন আছেন? Okay, let change it in Hindi. Okay, क्या हाल है? Okay, nice. Then we'll go to in Irish. Okay, so nice. Konas tattoo. Okay, then we'll search for African, which is how are you who in African is Hogandit. Then let's go to Urdu. Urdu is this. Okay, then we will go for Dutch. Dutch. Dutch how are you means who got hit merge. Okay, then we'll go for Turkey. Turkey is how are you is Nasis Nasil scene. Okay, let's go for another language. Okay, okay, let's go Punjabi. Okay, to see give him ho. Okay, let's go for another language as like Nepali how are you is Timalai Kastocha. Okay, then we'll go Samoa. Wa my o. Okay, then we'll go for Danish. Hoverdan Hardu Det. Then we'll go for Tamil. Nilkal Ipati Irukiral. Okay, then go for another language Greek. Posiasai. Then Latin with Agis. Okay, then uh, Japani Dazubu. Okay, then go for Rush. Rush meaning is Kaktuvidela. Okay, let's go for another language German. We get is there. How are you in German is we get is there. Okay, let's go for another language then. Uh, ooh, okay, then go for Thailand. Khun Pin Jingri. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so by this way you can translate uh, English to your own language or your any desired language or any country language. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like the video. Okay, so that's all. Okay, bye bye.